In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website using Squarespace's AI features. So if you're looking to add a touch of creative writing flow or improve the overall quality of your text, you've come to the right place. By the end of this guided session, you'll have a solid grasp of using the AI tools integrated within Squarespace, making your web content more engaging and polished. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Squarespace. It'll be handy to have an account and be logged in already so you're not interrupted midway. Once you're on the main page of Squarespace, you'll want to find your way to your website dash. You'll usually see a menu or a toolbar that will guide you to where your websites are listed. Once you've arrived at the website section, what you'll do next is click on Website and then hit Edit. This process is your gateway to customizing your site and altering its content. So look for the specific page or text box you wish to enhance or rewrite. The editing and customization tools of Squarespace are quite intuitive, but having clear goals on what you want to improve will make the process smoother. After selecting the text box, the magic starts. Click on the Edit option, and right from the beginning of the Edit options, you'll see the feature called Squarespace AI. This tool is designed to help you revamp your writing with ease. Whether you're seeking to fine-tune your messaging, correct grammatical errors, or simply add flair to your words, the AI is equipped to support those needs. Input what you want to convey in the designated area. It could be an entire paragraph that you'd like to improve, or even a succinct tagline you want to make more compelling. The AI analyzes your input and offers suggestions or complete rewrites that can be surprisingly insightful. Consider this AI tool your writing assistant. It provides suggestions, but always make the final call on what fits the tone and style of your website. Feel free to experiment with different iterations until it feels just right. Once you've adjusted your text to your liking, you're on the fast track toward a more attractive and readable website. All that's left to do now is to preview your changes to ensure everything looks great. When satisfied, save your work. Don't forget to regularly hit that save button while working with your content to prevent any loss of progress. And there you have it. You've successfully used Squarespace's AI to improve your text. Remember, great web content is not only about aesthetics, but also about how well you communicate with your audience. Using tools like these can give you a significant edge in getting your message across effectively. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.